Today I'm going to show you some self-treatment and stretching to help with opening up the chest, in particular working the pec muscles. And yes, we all do have pec muscles. Okay, really good as well if you're working on a computer all day or doing a lot of Zoom webinars and Zoom conferencing or chats with friends. Firstly, both of your hands, if you kind of curl them down as if you're holding a handlebar like that, and then taking them together right in the center of your chest plate on your sternum. Hold a moment and slowly draw your hands away from each other. And do that till you get fairly close to your shoulders. You can do that about 3 to 5 times, as often as you need. You can use a bit of oil or wax as well. I've chosen not to today. And then working one side specifically, right hand, working the left side. So placing your fingers again on the sternum and slowly moving your fingers and hand towards your shoulder. You may also like to take your arm a little bit up and a little bit behind you while you're doing this. Then when you get to the shoulder, stop. And then again, you can do this a few times. And not forgetting as well to work the other side. Now we're going to stretch this out with what I could say is my favorite stretch, the doorway stretch. Okay. So say you've got the doorway, you're on the door frame. Take the side you want to stretch, your arm into an L shape, 90 degrees. Palm and forearm flat against the door frame or the wall. Take a step out, small or large, however you want, with the opposite leg. So if I'm stretching out my left side, I'm stepping out the right leg. And then slowly bend that right leg forward as if you're going into a little lunge, until you start to feel a stretch in your pecs. You may feel it here, you may feel it here, you may actually feel it around the top of your arm. Again, when you start to feel a stretch, you can stop, hold for at least 30 seconds, and you can work the other side that way. I'll just show you how the arm will look if you're stretching this way. So say you're on the door frame, soft part of your forearm, palm of your hand there. And again, you're doing the same, stepping forward and leaning forward until you feel a stretch. Again, as I always say, a stretch is meant to feel stretchy, not painful. If anything, if any of these things you do is too painful, sharp or uncomfortable, please back off. Please don't do them. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed that, and look after yourselves, and I hope you all have a great day. Thanks.